Good day po teachers, narito na po ang ilan sa mga schools na meron na pong SARO for Performance-Based Bonus 2022. So we have Division of Biliran. So nakalagay po na to cover the fiscal year 2022 Performance-Based Bonus for elementary and secondary schools personnel and elementary school personnel of Deputy Division of Biliran. Next we have Kaibiran National High School, Culaban National Vocational School, Kawayan National High School, Maripipi National Vocational School, Naval National High School, and Naval School of Fisheries. Next po we have Maasin Vocational High School, Division of Maasin City, Division of Eastern Samar, Southern Samar National Comprehensive High School, Balangiga National High School. Next, we have Alugan National School of Craftsmanship and Handicraft Industries, Dolores National High School, MacArthur National Agricultural School, Giporlos National Trade School. Next, we have Giwan National High School, Lawaan National School of Craftsmanship and Home Industries, Lorente National High School, Matarinao School of Fisheries, Samar National Pilot Opportunity School of Agriculture, Sulat National High School, Taft National High School, mataas na paaralang, Division of Borongan City, Eastern Samar National Comprehensive High School, Lalawigan National High School. So yun lang po teachers, so yun po muna yung mga bago pong labas na SARO of different schools for the Performance-Based Bonus 2022. So for more SARO ng mga different schools, please subscribe lang po para po updated tayo for the latest news about our SARO and our PBB. So yun lang po at maraming salamat po teachers!